Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to register in Trive Invest broker. Go to TradingFinder website, in Forex broker section, go to Trive Invest profile. Click on go to website. Then we enter the website. For registration, you can choose demo account or live account. We choose live account. Then we enter the registration section. Enter your name and last name plus email address. Choose the country of residence and choose a password for your account, which I recommend you to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. After entering the informations, check these boxes to agree to the terms and conditions of the website, then click here. Choose the platform that you want to trade, which you can choose between MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or Trive Trader. We choose MetaTrader 4. And if you want to choose the investment account, click here. Finally, click on Open Live Account. Choose country of residence, nationality, place of birth, and date of birth. Click on Next. Enter a street name, a street number, postcode, and city. Then click on Next. Choose your employment status, then nature of business. Annual income, total assets, primary source of wealth, trading objective. Then we have to answer trading knowledge questions. After answering the questions, confirm your experiences, then click on Next. Accept the type of account that you want to open. We choose live account. Then we entered our accounts dashboard. Our account has been created, and in the next video, we're going to teach you how to verify your account in Trive Invest broker. Good luck.